Hello and welcome to another update video about Jasmy. The price is still moving in this corrective descending price channel. It's actually quite an obvious one here. After the price topped in our third wave, it was a bit overextended, but that's what you generally have to expect in a third wave. The idea is now from an Elliott wave point of view that we are in a fourth wave pullback. We have a combination of levels to watch here. We have our Fibonacci support levels. Okay, the price is currently in this support area. Any break below the support area will challenge the overall wave count and wave structure. Idea is currently that we are looking for higher prices here, but maybe short term a little lower first in our fourth wave. And then the fifth wave should send us to, well, first of all, we have important resistance at around 4.9 cents, and then some more Fibonacci resistance at 5.4 cents and 6.3 cents. These are also the targets for the fifth wave. Now, to calculate really the targets for the fifth wave, it will also depend on how where the fourth wave will really bottom. So we can calculate that more precisely than going forward. So the idea is now that we are moving up here in this 5-wave pattern, which originated at this larger degree fourth wave on the 1st of May. At the time down here, I had a similar support area like this one. This one's just smaller. And that provided a great support area and setup at the time. And now we have another opportunity. Okay, the wave count is quite clear. Doesn't mean, of course, that it's necessarily higher probability for it to hold, but we can recognize the waves quite well, the structure. So it gives some confidence. In addition to that, I'm watching this green ascending trend line. So this is one additional level to watch, or let's say it's a dynamic trend line, right? Dynamic support. Depends on when the price hits it. It will provide support at different price levels. Then we have these Fibonacci support levels. Next support is at 3.1 cents, then 2.75 and 2.45. And especially here, the area around the 2.75 cent level seems relevant, given that it is the area where the Fib level and the green trend line basically cross, and then also the lower trend line here of our descending trend channel crosses there as well. So it could be a level of interest there where all of these cross. And at the moment, there is absolutely no evidence that a low has formed. The wave count in this fourth wave will probably change. I'm labeling it as an ABC structure. And the C wave is now unfolding probably as an ending diagonal because we have overlap. So we have a wave 1, a wave 2. This could be a third wave. Maybe this is now the fourth, and one more low could happen in wave 5. Alternatively, the third might still be unfolding, because the third, as it is quite short. I'd actually prefer if the third is still unfolding, but that's just sort of, it's not so important. That's just noise, because what really matters is we have to be watching for a potential breakout to the upside of the descending price channel. Don't forget the price is in the support area already. We have a small reversal candle, so it could turn around at any point. But really what matters is that the bulls turn up before we break below 2.45 cents. Whereas, as I said before, ideally it's actually holding 2.75 cents. So I would like to see a reversal to start the fifth wave from this support range somewhere. We have a few more levels to watch, as I said, to the downside. To the upside, it's the upper boundary line of the descending price channel, which could be an initial breakout indication. I'm definitely watching that. And then we have the previous wave too high within the C wave, which would be an invalidation point, right? So if we break above the green line at 3.87 cents, well, that would invalidate the immediate downside wave count within wave C. Doesn't mean the low is definitely in, but it will increase probabilities. So the earliest indication, therefore, that a low has formed would be a break out of the trend channel. At the moment, this is not showing, even though we have a bit of a reversal candle down there. So that is something that some of you might want to use. But we also had a reversal candle here. I don't use candlesticks. I don't use candlesticks. It's about a combination of structure. So we need 5 waves up. At the moment, it's three waves in a potential fourth wave when we haven't even broken above a previous high or above the trend channel. So yeah, there is at the moment, nothing that indicates to me that a low could be in. Not yet. That's my update about Jasmy. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.